Hey guys, it's me Popunder, and in this video we are going to learn how you can use this traffic source, that is simpletraffic.co, to promote affiliate offer in a step-by-step process. So I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can follow along and implement each and everything. So in order to promote your offer in this simpletraffic.co, you need a landing page. Okay, so this can be one of the good landing page, or you can also use another. This is viral CPA landing page. So we have already talked about this and this two landing page. So for the, you can also use this landing page. Okay, this is like whenever people visit to this landing page and click on next step, they need to share their this landing page with other people in order to enter in giveaway. Okay, it is as simple as that. So whenever one person comes, and if they share, they can bring more people to this landing page. So we are not going to talk about this landing page in this video. We are going to talk about this landing page. So as you can see, the hottest giveaway 2020, choose the giveaway and enter today. So small giveaway, big giveaway, medium giveaway. So we are not going to give our personal money to and other people. Okay, but what we need to do is you need to sign up to this CPA network that is called CPA group. And once you sign up to this platform, you can see people are making good amount of money, like $12,000, $11,000, 115, okay, 531. So now once you sign up to this CPA group, it will just take you 2 minutes to sign up to this CPA group. Okay, and once you sign up, then just simply click on this offer tool and you can click on this my offer. So now you can see we have $500 giveaway. And what you can do is, so I'm going to give you this landing page for absolutely free. Okay, there is a link in the description of this video. Just click on that link and sign up to System.io. System.io have a free plan where you need to pay $0 every month for lifelong. Okay, if you don't want to upgrade to their paid plan, just click on that and you will get this landing page for absolutely free. So once you come to this CPA group and click on my offer, then what you need to do is select country United States, and then select email zip submit. And then what you can do is, once it loads, it is taking a little bit time, what you can do is just type 500 at here and you will get lots of offer with 500. So now whenever you click on any offer, okay, you will get your own affiliate link. Just copy that link and go to System.io and select. You're going to get all of this landing page once you sign up to System.io with the link that I have given in the description. And once you log into your System.io account, then you can see this funnel. So you can simply click on that funnel. So if this funnel is not around here, then there may be some drop down. Just click on that and see where the funnel is and click on that funnel. Okay, and once you click on that funnel, then you will see this kind of affiliate landers. Just click on that affiliate lander and scroll below, and for this video purpose we are going to talk about this giveaway lander. And then what you can do is, so if you want to learn about this viral CPA marketing method, then I will put a video link in the description of this video. Watch that video and you will be able to learn about this viral CPA landing page also. Okay, for now this video purpose we are going to use this giveaway landing page, and simply click on that giveaway. Okay, and you can change the name at here, you can change this URL slug at here and click on this edit page. So once you click on this edit page, then what you need to do is you need to change the link that are available in this bottom. So we have got a $500 giveaway of this Amazon. Just click on this copy link and you are going to get paid $2.59 if someone submits their email address in this offer. So just click on this button and just delete the URL that's at here and paste your affiliate link and click on save changes. So now again what you can do is you can go to CPA group and just type 750 and you'll get lots of offer. Whichever you want to select, just click on it. Okay, and just select the offer and click, sorry, not there, here in System.io, just click on it, click on here, delete this and put your URL. Same thing you can do at here. And once you did all of these things, just click on save changes and click on exit. So and then you can click on, just make sure this is selected and just click on this I button, this one. Okay, and you will get the URL of your landing page. Just copy that. Okay, and once you copy this, then go to simpletraffic.co, and then what you can do is simply paste your landing page URL and click on start trial. And what you can do is you can put your email address at here. So let's see which email I can use for this. Okay, so I'll be using maybe this Gmail, and let's put it, let me put the name. Okay, you can put your own name. So, and location targeting, you can select worldwide, or if you prefer United States only, you can select that. You can leave it. Okay, so let's just select United States. Okay, because our target country is United States. And then device and browsing targeting, then make sure to only select this computer. Okay, and plan 5 starts after trial. Okay, that means this you need to pay 15 USD after 5-day trial period. Okay, in 5 days these people will send 500 people per day to your landing page. Okay, and in goal, let's see what we can so won't affect traffic. It's saying won't affect traffic, but also let's just select this one. Okay, because we need lead. Okay, and include free trial. Okay, and just you don't need to track anything at here. Just click on this. If you want to track, you can learn from other YouTube videos and use Google Analytics to track your traffic. And once this is done, then you can simply okay, so payments are secure process. I just click on create subscription. So reviewing your website, so let's wait. So now we need to log into our PayPal account. So let me log in. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so now what we can do is you can select this card and click on continue and click on agree and subscribe. So you need to have this PayPal account if you want to use this simple traffic. You have set up subscription. Okay, so now everything is fine. Profile ID free for 5 days, then $15 for each 30 days starting from 16 May. Okay, so now let's click on return to merchant. So now it's as simple as this to drive traffic from simpletraffic.co to your landing page. Now let's click on this dashboard. Okay, so it's going to take some time for them to send us our login credential. As you can see, your trial is about to start. It's going to start after some while, after they verify this landing page and website, and success US should start to receive visitor within an hour. Check your inbox for subscription and login details. So if you check our email inbox, then we haven't still received our login credential. It is going to take some time, but if you click on this PayPal button, then so the next due date is 21 May 2022. Okay, it is going to cost me 15 USD after the trial period is over. Okay, website traffic subscription with 5-day free trial. Amount to be paid each time for every 30 days, 15 USD. Okay, so in this way they have charged the subscription. After some time they will send me my login credential, and hopefully I can log into the simpletraffic.co, and then I can see each and everything about my traffic details. And once I start to receive the traffic, then most probably I am going to also get some sales, because people would love to get those kind of money. With the help of this giveaway landing page, we are going to promote these offers, and once they enter their email address, then we are also going to make this kind of money. So these people are also using this kind of strategy. They are, and another is like they are also using Popunder traffic to promote this kind of offer, which I have already made one video on that. I'll make sure to put that video's link on the video link in the description of this video. You can watch that too. Okay, so guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more this kind of videos that are related to making money with affiliate marketing and so on. So this much for today. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.